Welcome to the Mega Photoshop Tutorials. In this Photoshop tutorial, I'll show you how to create train text effect. I provided this image for you to download, its link is located in the video description. Enjoy watching, remember to subscribe in my channel. So let's get started. First, we open the image we are going to use. Create a new layer. Open your horizontal type tool. Choose a font. I'm using Motorhead. If you like to use it, I provided its link. For this font, I'll use a size of 1100 points, and black for the color. Click on your document and type out your text. To reposition it, open your Move tool and move it. To angle it, open your Transform tool by pressing Ctrl, Command+T. Go to a corner and when you see a curved, double arrow, rotate it counterclockwise. Then, press Enter or Return. Click on the top layer and convert it to Smart Object, so it can be modified non-destructively. To do this, click the icon at the upper right of the Layers panel. Click Convert to Smart Object. Now, we will adjust the text to match the tilt of the window. Open your Transform tool by pressing Ctrl, Command+D. Right-click your mouse and choose Distort. Then adjust the angles. Go to Filter and Liquify. When Liquify opens, the default tool is the Forward Warp tool. We'll use it to make the drips. On the right, you can adjust the brush's size and pressure. Press OK when you are done. Finally, change the blend mode to soft light. Thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe in my channel.